It's Glockamon! It's the Glock Pokemon! Glockamon!
Crash.
What?
I got crashed.
Oh, well, I said Glock. I looked at your picture and I said Glockamon. Because it's a Glock, but it's also a Pokemon, so it's Glockamon. Please laugh.
I want this Pokemon in real, like, to be real. It's really cool.
Yes, but also it's probably gonna run at the streets and just shoot everybody.
It's a legendary Pokemon of the Glocks.
It's the protector of all the Glocks.
Shadow the Hedgehog is going to love one of its bad boys.
It's his main Pokemon. I could totally see them to be Shadow's main Pokemon. Glock the Pokemon. And then for Shadow it's Glock the Hedgehog. That's his brother. Glock the Hedgehog.
Glock the Hedgehog. We need to draw that also. We need to make it into reality.
Do you want to draw him? Glock the Hedgehog? Shadow's twin brother that no one talks about? Ah, lordy.
Yeah, let's ignore your clips for a second. And talk about Glock.
Okay, let's make his backstory. What do you think his backstory would be?
He's made from the DNA of a gun.
Long his Shadow's older brother. Long ago, before Shadow was created, Gerald wanted to create a hedgehog to protect Maria. So, and he didn't know about Black Doom yet, or he did know about it, but they just didn't come to him yet. He tried contacting them on freaking, I don't know where, some kind of site. He tried contacting them on Twitter. Twitter.com, but he got no response, so he took matters into his own hands, and he used the DNA of Glocks and the whole Glock itself to create a hedgehog that would be the most powerful hedgehog before Shadow the Hedgehog, and his name was Glock the Hedgehog.
Beautiful.
But he spooked
Absolutely
Maria.
beautiful.
Gerald then brought Glock to Maria and said, "Hey, this is my creation that's going to protect you from now on. Hey, I leveled up. This is my creation that's gonna protect you from now on." But then Glock shot Maria in the shoulder, and Maria got spooked, and then she got spooked, and then Glock was sent back down into space, into the freaking Earth's core or wherever.
Gerald leads him into the Earth's core.
But little did Gerald know that Glock was actually just trying to speak to Maria, because you see his mouth is actually a Glock. An actual Glock that shoots bullets.
Once hurt people.
So he tried to introduce himself to Maria.
Sticks and stones, favorite Bibles. But words will always kill me.
So he tried to introduce himself to Maria and give her like a compliment or whatever, just be nice to her, but he accidentally shot her. And now he's at the Earth's core And now he's being very sad and shooting everywhere, trying to apologize to someone that isn't even there anymore. Glock the hedgehog. And then years later, when the Dark Gaia comes in, he's finally let free because Gaia freaking destroyed the Earth's core or whatever. And he's finally let free. You know that the Earth freaking cracks up into I don't know how many pieces. So he's finally out.
Oof.
And he finally meets his brother, his brother Shadow, and Shadow doesn't like him because he constantly shoots. Although Shadow is also all about guns, so I guess they have something in common.
So Shadow started using Glock as a gun, and they
uses
lived
his
happily
brothers.
ever after in a relationship of weapon and master.
His friends don't really like him that much though. Glock tried to join Team Dark, but the others didn't approve because he shot Omega and shot Rouge on accident. So he's not allowed in Team Dark, and also all the other teams don't approve of him either. So he's just a sad, lonely boy, and he has a SoundCloud where he sings, but his singing is just shooting. And he's a SoundCloud sad boy.